Hello everyone, and welcome back to Working on Exploring, where we seem to have fallen into working more than exploring. However, we did decide it was time for a fun break and headed to the Snake River for an easy kayak outing up to Pillar Falls. Come join us on our easy paddle in Twin Falls, Idaho. Before we jump into the kayaking trip, I'm going to share a few pictures of a Boondockers welcome stay that we had the night before we landed in Idaho. With nearly 500-mile drive ahead of us, I found us a different kind of Boondockers welcome stopover for the night. Our stop was in Evanston, Wyoming, and rather than just a host private land, it was also a small business called the Edge of Town Pizza Pub and a bowling alley. The host had a nice parking spot for us for the night. That wasn't a Walmart. We contributed to a small business and we enjoyed an amazing pizza dinner. If you've never checked into Boondockers Welcome, there is a link in the description with our referral code and a video link of an earlier driving route showing how Boondockers Welcome works and how we use the community. So across the river over there is the road down to, I think it's called Canyon Park. And in Canyon Park is where you can drop in and start kayaking on the river. So that's what we're going to do today. There's also a nice little golf course over there. Further that way is the motorized boat launch and trailer parking. And this right here is the non-motorized boat launch, which is where we're going to launch the kayak from. We actually did it wrong the first time we came. We went down to the motorized boat launch. Once we realized it, we were glad no one kicked us off. There we go. Getting ready to go on our kayak in the Centinial Waterfront Park in Twin Falls, Idaho. Say hello, Andy Bear.
Hello, my dear.
All right, you ready to launch? Let's launch. Oh, first time using the roller launcher. And we had a really fun sighting of a base jumper. If you haven't been to this area of Idaho in Twin Falls, the Perrine Bridge is a 400-foot high bridge that you can legally base jump from. And nearly every time we're here and drive through there, there is a group of individuals, mostly young men, jumping off a bridge with just a parachute. So it was pretty cool though that we timed our kayak trip to be down on the water right below the bridge when they were launching. So there were a couple early ones that I didn't get a great clip of, but here is one that turned out to be right above us as he, flipped over and kept going. It was pretty amazing to watch. Ooh, a little scary, something I'll never do. Oh, it's a parachute hanging down? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. There's our creative artwork. All right, we are approaching Pillar Falls. So you can see some water coming down, but it's nowhere near the volume of water we're used to seeing. And over here on the far right where the green is the portage, where you can actually get out, walk your kayak around the pillars, jump back in the water, and head all the way down to Shoshone Falls. We did that one time, it was great. We actually capsized ourselves coming back through it. We're not going to do that today, but I can show some clips of that earlier trip maybe in the future, or point you to a video that we have already online. Pretty neat area though to get out, and you could just walk around all these rocks on the other side too. Actually, I think this is the first time we've been able to get this close. You usually can't get up this close. There's too much water and the current's too strong pushing you away. Here's the local company that supplies rentals. I'm not sure what their hours are in the fall. Maybe it's just on the weekends, but there's a website there. In the summer, they're there full time, and this place gets pretty busy. Until next week, thank you for joining us and checking out our custom camper and travels. Click the thumbs up if you like this video, and please give us a comment down below. We greatly appreciate hearing from you, especially getting questions on the rig. We appreciate our growing subscriber base and interacting with like-minded RVers and do-it-yourselfers, so don't forget to click the subscribe button and continue following our rig projects, repairs, and updates along with our somewhat meandering travels. We are here to share and inspire others who are building and traveling in RVs. Check us out next week with more Idaho camping coming up. We hope to see you out on the road, and good luck with your working and exploring.